before last night, that is already morning. I'm making something for editing. And then after that, that is already 4 o'clock. Past 4 o'clock, it's about 5 o'clock. And then someone touched behind me. I said, I think this is a rat. I'm looking for the rat, but I cannot find it. I said, nothing, no moving, something. Of course, if this is rat, you can feel that there is something running away from you or something moving that they touch, something like that. But nothing. I said maybe, but because that is already early morning, like 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, about 5 o'clock. And then someone touch. I can say someone, because it's hard, Someone that I don't have anybody here. I'm alone because my children is there beside me. Okay, and they are already sleeping, alright? And then someone touched or somebody touched or something touching to me behind me, alright? And then maybe said, it's already too much late. Why you're not sleeping up to now? Something like that. I didn't sleep because I'm doing something like editing. Sometimes I'm watching like this. After my editing, I watch something news about my place, about my country, something like that. Yeah. I'm thinking who is that? I said, maybe my friend is there, but I cannot see him. And then maybe our guardian angel is something like that. They said, you better to sleep. Now you are very late always. Because I'm sleeping, I'm very late, guys. If it's not 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Most of the time, I sleep at 6 or 7 o'clock, like this. 4 nights I didn't sleep. Something like that. And then the time early, someone touched to me. Right? Something like that. I'm not taking anything. I'm not afraid for that, guys. Yeah, I'm not afraid. That's all. That's all. Alright, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you very much. Okay, I can say bye. I don't know. It's still time.